What's going on, guys, and welcome back to part 3, where we'll be showing you how you can install our Newel post cladding. Now, this Newel post cladding is designed to fit various different sizes, and what it does is that it takes away the need to remove your existing Newel post, and it creates that cladding solution that still gives you that oak effect. Now, this consisting of 4 pieces of oak veneered MDF and is held together by 4 pieces of angle moulding, which creates a nice, secure structure. If we just take a look at this, this is a post replacement, which is made out of solid oak pieces, and this is our Newel post cladding. So let's take you back down to the workshop now, where the guys are back with their model staircase, installing our Newel post cladding.
So in front of us now we have our 4 pieces of oak veneered MDF, our 4 pieces of angle moulding, and of course our Newel post cap. Now Martin is back now and he's going to take some measurements around the existing Newel post. Now this is one of the main reasons why people use our Newel post cladding set, is because the MDF allows it to be so versatile and easy to cut. Now Martin's going to cut the bottom of the piece of cladding there that's hopefully going to fit nicely around our bullnose tread, which is obviously our bottom tread. When our piece is cut out just like that, we can see if this just fits nicely around our bottom bullnose tread there. Now we're going to measure the inside of the existing Newel post so we can pre-cut our cladding, and as we see there, it's been pre-cut. We're going to attach that next to our Newel post and see if it just fits on nicely. It should do. There we go. Perfect. Now it's important to remember, when you do order our Newel post cladding set, you can expect 2 pieces of the MDF to be slightly smaller that fit directly in line with the Newel post, and you'll have 2 slightly larger pieces that overclad the post and the other 2 pieces of MDF, creating a nice even fit. So you get 4 pieces of MDF, 2 pieces slightly smaller than the others to get that overcladding, just like that. Now we're getting our Newel post cladding cut and ready, put in place, before we go on to our later stages where we'll cut our treads, making sure that they fit nicely against our newly installed cladding there. And then we'll take it to the final stages where we'll be covering up all the corners with our angle moulding. Now what Martin is doing now, that he's got his nail gun and he's nailing the edges of our cladding there, which will leave little holes just like so. And bearing in mind, you can use glue to glue our cladding sets to the post, but in this circumstances Martin is using his nail gun, and these smaller holes from the nail gun will obviously be covered up by our angle moulding that will feature on each corner. So that's our oak pieces all nailed to our existing post. If we just take a look at the top of the post here, all cladded and ready for us to move on to the next stage. Now we're not going to proceed with our angle moulding because it's better to install the treads first, and I'm going to show you what we mean. So if we take our angle moulding and we put it against our post, now if we install our treads first, we're going to be able to cut more of an even line around the Newel post, just like so. And we're going to want to do this to avoid giving ourselves further hassle of having to cut through the angle moulding. So if we install the treads first, the angle moulding can just be cut to sit on top and below the treads. This just lines things up a lot nicer. And as you can see here, our angle moulding just sits nicely on top of our tread there. Nice, easy cut.
If you like what you saw in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can join us in the next part where we'll be installing our risers. My name's Kieran. I'll see you next time.